Hi Gearshifters, welcome back. Today I am putting together another piece of equipment that is going to make working on my motorcycle in my shop a lot easier. So what is it? It is a knee saver. This is a roller seat, so I will be able to put it together, sit on it, and roll around my motorcycle instead of crawling around on my knees. So I am quite excited about that. Stick around and see how it turns out. So I'm gonna start first by opening up the box, seeing what's inside. Sparkle is my favorite color. So assembly is going to be a breeze, no tools required. There are 3 components and each of the components was already assembled. So we have the tool tray, which is also the base, and the wheels came attached. Then we have the lifting pole, already assembled, closed. All that I have to do is insert it into the hole in the base. Done. And the seat, which already has the base and the lifting component already attached. That I have to do is set that on there. Once it is secure, it says press down in a controlled firm manner on the cushion to attach it. There we go. All right, so we're gonna try this out. Now that I've got it all set up, I'm going to take it around for a spin. I love this. Not only is this stool a knee saver, it is an extra hand. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, leave a comment, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every time I release a new video.